You're watching How Leap. Let's learn how to change your Apple ID password if you have forgotten it. You can do this easily from another Apple device or a web browser. On an iPhone or iPad you already trust, open the Settings app, tap your name at the top, then tap Sign in and Security. Next, tap Change Password. You will be asked to enter your device's passcode to proceed. After entering it, you can then create a brand new, strong password for your Apple ID. If you don't have access to a trusted device, use a computer. Go to iforgot.apple.com in any web browser. Enter your Apple ID email address and click Continue. You will have options to reset your password. You can get a verification code sent to a trusted phone number you have on file. Enter that code on the website. You will then be prompted to create your new password. Make sure it is strong and unique. Once confirmed, your new password is set. Use this new password immediately to sign back into all your Apple services like iCloud, the App Store, and your devices. For more simple tech tutorials, subscribe to the channel.